Okay, this video is Unit 1, Lesson 3 for Science and Technology. The thing that you have to understand that scientific knowledge is constantly changing. A lot of the things that people consider facts are a lot of times the most widely accepted explanation. A lot of times, something that is discovered new in 5 years is going to change. Right now in biology, things are changing fast. And in space exploration, it's kind of cool. It's changing pretty fast too, with the big competition for trying to get back to the moon and Mars and learning a lot of that stuff. So what we learn in science is what most scientists agree is the best explanation about how things happen. They are theories, and today we're going to be talking about theories and law. Scientific theory is an explanation supported by large amounts of evidence, and I'll talk about that in a bit. Theories are what most scientists agree upon to be the best explanation based upon what we know. Now, once again, there are scientists that will always disagree with other scientists. Right now in the pandemic, there's always going to be a chunk of scientists that believe something different than what everyone else does. The words law and theory have specific meanings. And the weird thing is I grew up being told that when a theory was proven, it becomes a law. That's not true at all. A scientific law describes a specific relationship under a given condition in the natural world. The scientific laws describe the way the world works. What goes up must come down. A theory is going to explain how, when, why, but a law is just going to explain a specific part of how nature works. So we talked about or watched a video on the dinosaurs going extinct. It explained the how, the when, the why. Now remember, it had all of these little pieces of evidence that we know were true, and that supported the theory. A law does not explain how, it does not explain when, and it does not explain why. So there are two totally different things. And once again, a theory cannot become a law. Theories help us understand and explain the laws that we understand. We need to also understand that scientific knowledge changes over time. It changes sometimes fast, it changes sometimes slow, but it'll always change over time. Scientific ideas are going to change when we get a better explanation. And a lot of times it's technology that drives this new evidence or the new scientific knowledge. Once again, as we've kind of talked about, many ideas are not accepted at first. They'll be put out there, and other scientists have the ability to go through it. Change is hard in your world, in my world, and especially in the scientific world. So most of the time it doesn't. New ideas are not accepted over time. Have a great day.